10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Somebody's watching me.
Mahal, congratulations to us. I never imagined that God's plan for my life, bibiyayaan ako ng Lord ng partner na makakasama ko habang buhay, na kayang maghintay sa lahat ng bagay.
August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. And now, as I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy? Jeffrey Pines, I pretended I could read your thoughts.
Etong bow na ginawa ko is all about thank you. Thank you, mahal, for everything, for loving me the way you do so deeply and unconditionally. You and me always and forever. Cheers to lifetime of laughter and happily ever after. Excited to the next chapter of our life with you. I love you so much with the love of the Lord.
Am I lucky enough to say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
Mahal, in your eyes, I found my home, and you're my partner in everything. I promise that we will build our dreams together. I promise, mahal, bilang iyong asawa, kaibigan, partner in life, gagawin ko ang maging masaya ang journey ng ating pagmamahalan.
There's a fire deep in us all. It's a fire burning out.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Smile naman dyan. Hopefully, yung inyong luha ay luha ng kagalakan. Mamahalin kita habang nabubuhay. Sarap sabihin. Baka dumating ang panahon na ang mga salita at awit ninyong iyan palagi team song. Hindi lang sa umpisa. Bagkus hanggang sa pagtanda ninyo. Dala-dala ninyo yan.
There's a fire.
Mahal, maraming salamat. Ako yung taong napili mo makasama habang buhay. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-aalaga sa akin. Alam mo, mahal, masaya ako kapag nakikita kitang masaya. Nagiging buo na rin yung araw ko. Kasi alam ko masaya ka, mahal. Kasi nandiyan si God palagi sa ating dalawa.
Here we go